Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use OnePay Later when shopping at Walmart. So first of all, add the products you want to purchase to your cart either through walmart.com or the Walmart app or at a participating Walmart location. Once you've selected everything, proceed to checkout. In the payment options, look for and select OnePay Later as your preferred payment method. If your account qualifies, you can continue the application process and see the payment plans available to you. Now, take a look at the payment plan displayed on the screen. Based on your purchase amount and eligibility, you may be given up to three payment options. Carefully check the details, including how much each payment will be and when those payments are due. Select the option that works best for you, confirm your choice, and continue with the checkout process. Once you have reviewed everything and the details are correct, finish placing your order. After the purchase goes through, you should receive a confirmation email containing your payment schedule along with other important information. Keep this email available so you can check your upcoming payments whenever necessary. Once your purchase is complete, you can easily manage your payments through the CLA app or the OnePay app. From there, you can check your remaining balance, see upcoming due dates, make payments, or pay your balance early if that option is available. Checking the app regularly can help you keep track of your payments and avoid missing a due date. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.